have here? A little something from the guys at Apex Gun Parts. Hope their kids are enjoying the college I've put them through. Let's see what's in here. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Make sure you don't see this. You're seeing it just as I am for the first time. Just paper. That box out of here. Anybody tell what it is yet? Pretty excited about this one. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Missed the boat on the good ones, the cheap ones. All kinds of stamping there. No lightning cut. Smooth top cover. Oh yeah, wood pistol grip. That's not enough giveaways. This is a Polish Type 3 milled AK kit. That's a pretty nice handguard. Good, there's the ferrule for the pistol grip. Telescopic recoil spring. Cleaning rod. Bolt. Yeah, the bolt and the carrier match. That's pretty nice. Really looks to be in pretty good shape. Not a ton of rounds on either of these parts at least. Oh yeah. No cleaning kit. That's a really nice looking stock. Have a look at some of the small parts. Yeah, pretty standard. Front sight. Trigger guard. A little tweaked, but not very much. I've seen a lot worse. That'll straighten up real easy. Double hook trigger. Rear tang. That's important. Sling swivel. And our 800 meter marked rear sight base. Ugh. What the hell happened there? That's gonna need some fixing. Not a big deal. This side's got some apprentice marks on it too. I don't see any numbers. I'll have to measure the journals out. A little bit of rust down in there. Not much. Gas block looks really good shape. Happy with that. Selector's in good shape. Muzzle nut. Hammer. Definitely not a billion rounds on that. Another important piece. And it's also got apprentice marks on it and will need fixed for the front of the receiver. If you notice here, if you've ever built a Yugo kit, a stamped Yugo kit, this looks pretty familiar. It's because the Yugoslavians kept a lot of features from the Type 3 series, like their barrel profile, the way they attach their pistol grip, their smooth dust cover. A lot of these things look very Yugo, just like the front sight. Just something interesting. Aha, good. Bullet guide. Gonna need that. Right, yeah. And the front sling swivel. Fire control parts, pins, and disconnector. So, all in all, I think this will build up into a nice rifle. And I'm gonna probably have to do some refinish work. If you notice this top cover, might be hard to tell. Top cover's Parkerized and it should be blued, so bare minimum this top cover is going to get stripped and blued. Can't be having that. This appears to be blued still, the gas tube. It's just grungy. That'll clean up. Yeah, everything else looks pretty good. I'm not going to complain about this, given how scarce Type 3 parts are anymore. So, look forward to this. Coming up soon.